Congratulations to the class of 2023!
Congrats, class of 2023.
Hello and congratulations.
As a member of the OCU Alumni Advisory Board, I want to say congratulations on graduating.
We are so proud of you, class of 2023. Welcome to the Alumni Association.
Greetings, OCU class of 2023. Congratulations. We couldn't be more happy for you.
As a member of the OCU Alumni Advisory Board, I'd like to congratulate you on your recent graduation and welcome you to the OCU Alumni Association.
Welcome to the OCU Alumni Association.
Welcome to the alumni family.
Congratulations, class of 2023. We're proud of you. Go Stars.
You are now part of one of the largest and coolest alumni associations.
And welcome to the OCU Alumni Association.
Welcome to the Alumni Association.